Guten Morgen, meine model maniacs. This is Panzerman Bill, a Panzerman's bunker, coming to you with update ski number 1 of Grim Jim C. and Mark O'Neill's JaM-113 group build. Clank, 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 clank. Clank, 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 clank. My bad impressions of some autumn are moving up to the front. Yeah. Alright, fellas, let me show you what I've been up to. First update. I've got all the photo etch applied, all the interior photo etch applied to the parts. They're not assembled. It's easier for me to put the photo etch on the individual parts before I do any construction. So let me show you what I've been up to. Alright. Alright, here's the interior hull, floorboard, and driver's bulkhead and everything. Here's the photo etch I applied. Diamond plate for the bottom, gas pedal, different brackets and gauges and throttle and door latches for the driver's station. There's individual fasteners on the floor here, on the interior part of the floor. And there's this mechanism for a wire that would hold the door as a retractor as it goes out. Alright, here's the another little photo etch applied right here to the other side of the driver's area. Alright, and all this goes together. Like I said, once I start doing the construction and everything, all this will be painted up and everything. Okay, next, back drop door. Came with latches and all this strapping that went around this bedroll or camouflage netting or whatever it is. And this would lay here, and this retractor right there was a wire. It goes down to this little bracket to help bring the door up and down. Okay, here's the roof section. A little bit of gauge instrumentation right here. Up here by the vision blocks, some straps, some ventilation, different little brackets also. A little, I don't know exactly what all these things are, but this is what I've added so far. All the different ammo boxes and such, they got a strapping details and straps and wrapped around them. Over here they got toggles and everything added to this door here. I believe it's the back bulkhead door for the inside of the fighting compartment. Over here is the whole radio put together with brackets and everything. Here's the fire extinguisher, like a little bracket for the fire extinguisher, and another little detail pieces for this cabinet right here. Here's the little gauge, instrument gauge. It came with a little film, little clear little painted acetate film that applies to the back of the photo etch part. Now, I'll let you guys know, a lot of times when you do these Edwards sets, they expect you to add different lengths of styrene. See that little plug there of styrene? On the instructions, they'll expect you to be able to provide different lengths of wire and different lengths of styrene to add to their parts. So this is not an all-inclusive set. You will have to add some things to complete it. Case in point are these the hatches here for the mortar itself. Once the little the brackets are put in, you got to add pieces of wire yourself to complete the installation of the photo etch. Same here with like this little bracket for the commander's seat. And you got to add the wire to slide across that so it can slide up and down on that bracket on that pole. You know, and this part right here, the driver's seat is a whole piece right here. Replaces some photo etch parts actually replace whole kit parts. There's not augmentation of parts. They will actually supplant, replace parts. Here's the turntable for the mortar itself. It's got extra little details added to it. And the actual part of the mortar arm. See, here's another case in point where I tell you they want you to add a piece of styrene to the photo etch part to complete the installation. Alright, so that's a lot of little photo etch for this interior. Now some of they do give you extra little bits. Some parts they give you like one extra piece in case you mess up. Some of these straps I'll install once I get the thing all constructed. There'll be straps that tie to like the other components to the actual interior, and some are just extras and some are options and versions I did not use. I know these two facing shields right here, they get put on after I put everything together. They're like facing shields to parts of the interior. Alright, well that's my update, guys. A lot of little tedious work installing all this photo etch, but once it's painted up, it'll look really nice. You know, it really does add a lot of fidelity of detail, adding these photo etch parts. You know, a little radio right there, and the instrument gauges and everything. Of course, right in here, all these little things. All right, fellas. Till next time, this is Panzerman Bill of Panzerman's Bunker, and I hope everybody else's builds are going well. I've been following everybody. Good job out there, fellas. You know, this will last till the end of February, so everybody enjoy your builds. Other group builds are coming up. Try and participate if you got the time to do it. All right, till then, this is Panzerman Bill. Auf Wiedersehen, meine Damen und Herren. Giggity, giggity. Tschüss.